Here we go on our journey to make this beautiful bike even more beautiful. And as you can see, we have now added the belly pan fairing. And as you can see, it looks beautiful, really rounding out the bike, especially with the plus features of that windscreen in the rear cowl. Makes it look much more aggressive, much more complete. I didn't like that these headers were just hanging out there in the front, kind of unprotected. Not really good looking, but with this, it is a beautiful thing. The bike should come with this standard, but it doesn't. But that's all right. It gives us a reason to customize our bikes. So a little bit of aerodynamics, a little bit of protection, and a lot of bellissimo, which is Italian for beautiful, in case you didn't know. This bike is gorgeous. So let me know what you guys think. I think it really makes the bike look a lot more aggressive. I just can't say enough good things about it. I just think cosmetically, the bike's 100 times better with that. There she is up close. Really beautiful, like matte black color. Got the slits in the front there. A little bit of added protection here on the sides. That's what she looks like underneath. Okay, so I have a solution for this madness here coming soon. Working on a solution for this madness back here. Thanks United States DOT for wanting us to look like clowns. It's actually not that bad. It's not horrible. What am I saying? Yes, it is. I think it's hideous. It's like the Medusa sticking out the back of your motorcycle, scaring little kids. I'm thinking of painting the gas tank red, just this part right here, not the panels. Let me know what you guys think of that. Might be a pretty cool looking thing to do. Adding another touch of customization, I'm also thinking of getting this spring here in red or powder coated or whatever it is that they do. Stay tuned for something really cool on the Ducati Diavol 1260S, which is, according to me, the fastest 1260S in existence. And it's about to get faster. Stay tuned for that. We're also going to be doing more to this bike to make it the fastest monster. We are still working on a Pro Tune for this. The Italian company that does the hardware and software for the tuning, I'll put the name of that right here. They need to do some modifications because something has happened with this new model where the ECU is different and we're unable to tune it currently. But rest assured, we're working on that. This bike will be tuned and it will be the fastest monster on the planet. All right, guys, let me know what you think about the belly pan fairing and the progress on this bike in general. I'm going to be including instructions on how to install this. I did not install this myself because I do not have time. I work a full-time job and 100% of my nights are dedicated to editing these videos until at least midnight or 12:30 every single night. So for installs and stuff, I'm having my dealer do it. And also, I just like to keep my dealer in business. I like to do business with these guys because they're awesome. They're Hudson Valley Motorcycles in Hudson Valley, New York. If you guys are in the area, it's totally worth going out and checking them out. Their service is top notch, the best of the best. So I like to, have these guys do the installs for me, keep them in business. That's how I roll. I will do some how-tos on installing certain things. But for right now, here we go into the segment where I show you how to install this bad boy. Okay, I'm going to go briskly here, but feel free to pause the screen anytime that you want to take a closer look. Here's our exploded view, parts. Okay, here's how to remove the pressure switch support fastener. It doesn't say what those screws are, maybe 3mm. Okay, make sure you insert those tabs thusly, here, and here. Okay, here's how you assemble the engine belly fairing bracket. Make a note that you do have to tighten these to 10 Newton meters of torque plus or minus 10%. Okay, putting on the front of the engine belly fairing. Pretty straightforward here, using 5 Newton meters of torque plus or minus 10%. All right, here's how to install the left-hand panel. Note that this is going to be 3 Newton meters of torque plus or minus 10%. Okay, for this one, I'm going to read that important note there for you. Before assembling the right-hand panel, which is number 1 in the diagram, you're going to position this protective sheath here, number 15, which is 50 millimeters across, on the pressure switch hose, which is right here, letter B. All right, guys, that is it. Let me know if you have any questions. Hi, I look like a tourist. That's because I'm out here mowing my lawn. Here's some bonus footage of my Husqvarna, aka the Beast. That's my garbage can in my recycle bin. Pretty awesome. We're gonna be modding these for more horsepower and torque. Hearse purrs. Modding my garbage bin for hearse purrs. No! By the way, stand by for a Shelby video soon. And stand by for a Mach E4 video soon. This car's gorgeous. Just getting a drink. I'm gonna do a video on this whole power setup too. All right guys, always remember the motto, always be kinder than necessary, and I will see you in the next one.